Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am hot, sweaty, and here in Oklahoma. Just got the camper all set up. We're doing something a little bit special this time around. We got the Eufaula tournament, the Bassmaster Open, and the other Eufaula. And so instead of doing like a regular campground, what I ended up doing, and this was kind of like special circumstances here, is my buddy Chris Kingery. Look at this rabbit right here. He is not scared of me at all. But Chris Kingery with 44 Tackle, you know, I asked him where he was staying. He's like, you know what? We've actually got a RV site at the rental that we're staying at. So we've got 30 amp. They actually got 30 and 50 amp RV hookup here. No septic hookup, but I emptied that out in Texas. It's also got the water hookup, obviously. A little bit steep of a grade. If you can see here, it's hard to tell, but it slopes down quite a bit. It's actually probably the most downward sloping site that I've taken the camper off of the truck. But I mean, you couldn't leave it on the truck because that way you'd be sleeping, you know, feel like you're standing up. But anyways, this is the place right here. And in case we had a tornado come through, we got the little shelter back there, so my wife will appreciate that. Which, this is actually the first tournament that my wife and my little baby girl Riley are going to be coming to the weigh-ins. Now, they were originally going to be here the entire week, but we went down to visit our good friends down in Texas. You know, we've got some folks that are just like family to us down there, and so we decided, you know, we're going to be within 3 hours, so we have to stay there for, you know, a few days. And we did, and they talked Katie into staying with the baby and Doppler, which is fine with me. You know, I'm going to be in practice mode. You know, I'm probably not going to be very fun to be with, you know, after 13, 14 hour days in 90-degree heat. You might want to stay away from me. But anyways, so this is the setup. We've got a cool setup here. You know, once I got it all settled and everything, you know, it's perfect. It's just right. So we got some camaraderie because we got 3 other guys that are staying here. So yeah, it's going to be a fun week. You can tell I'm really sweaty right now. It's super hot. We actually had our water pump in the camper. That sucker, that's the new one. I just replaced that. Had our original one. It went out, and so I had to buy a spare, another one, on the way up here. I was very fortunate to be able to find one that was exactly the same, so perfect, even swap. So yeah, we just replaced that. Crisis averted, and so we've got the water pump back. But anyways, guys, Lake Eufaula is going to be a very interesting tournament. I'm really excited about this one because, number one, I haven't been there before. Most of the field I don't think has been here before, other than maybe a pre-practice trip. But you know, that makes it more exciting to me, at least. I love going to fisheries that I've never been to before and that allow me to just kind of arrive with no preconceived notions and just kind of go fish, follow my gut. I love those kind of fisheries. And the thing about this lake is there's plenty of shallow opportunities. So I'm going to focus shallow 100% of the time. Now, I just said that in the same breath that I said I don't have any preconceived notions. So hopefully that doesn't bite me, but I don't think that shallow fishing is a preconceived notion. I know that there's plenty of great deep opportunities. It may be one deep, it's that time of year, but I'm fishing shallow. There's no doubt about it. I'm going to stay in the dirt and I'm going to have a good time. But anyways, guys, I'm going to get back to getting all set up and everything, and you know, just get nice and comfy, make my nest, and everybody will be trickling in here very soon. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Keep up with all the action this week. I promise I'm going to do my best to do my daily videos, but it's so hard when you've just, you know, you're working real hard out there on the water every single day, and I don't have any backlog this week. So anyways, hopefully I'll be able to keep up daily. But anyways, guys, wish me luck, trust the process. I'm going to see you out on the water.